Well, good morning once again. So we're back at this because it's still leaking gas. Apparently it was not the fuel pump. I see kind of where it's leaking. It's either the tank or the line or the shutoff valve or the fuel filter down here. Let's take a look together, shall we? I guess I'll get my knee pads. But no, I'll just suffer. Well, to me it looks like the shut-off valve, but I don't know if my shut-off valve will work on this. It's leaking down there, leaking down there. Huh. Oh no, it's the fuel filter. Okay, that's better. I just saw it leak from the fuel filter. You'll be sideways, people. That's all I can do. It's the valve. There's the filter. And it's leaking right down the filter. So I think I'm gonna take the tank off and hopefully I can just get to it easy. Take it apart and I gotta shut the valve off. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this other filter will fit there. Yeah, it's not 7/8, it was 3/8. I mean 7/16, it was 3/8. Ooh. No, that's not good. I thought I had 3/8. That was 3/8. Oh, I put the 7/16 in and I took the 7/16 back up. Sometimes this stuff happens. So I guess I got a spare fuel pump. Just did it again. Sometimes it happens twice. I'm sorry also, I was in a hurry to get out here and I forgot to grab my mic, so we're using the mic on the GoPro. So I have to remember to talk louder and clearer. I have to clean this up and put some paint on it this year and do some work to it. Oh yeah. Actually the valve looks like it's leaking too, but I guess it's the filter. That's threaded on. I don't think my new one's threaded. No, it's just an inline one, so. Okay. I guess this fuel filter works. Oh it needs to be changed anyway, so let's do it up. Well, hopefully this isn't leaking enough to worry too much about it, but it does leak. Huh. Doesn't want to go down there either, does it? That's not good. Okay, let's take this stuff back. I'm gonna shut you off for now. Turn you on when I come